I'm going to show you guys today how to use DocHub to save copies, or if you run out of time and you just don't have time to get to the copy center. So the first thing I did was I found this cool picture online. It could be a PDF or an image, and I needed to save it to Drive so that I can utilize this DocHub feature, which allows you to write right on top of an image or a PDF. So a quick way to save to Drive, which you might not know, is if you hit this button right here, it'll save it directly to Google Drive for you. You can rename it so it's easier to find. And you can go look and see where it's at in Drive from that screen too. So I use this, so I'm going to get rid of it. I have a lot of tabs open. Okay, so now I want to send that picture to my students in Google Classroom. So I want to create an assignment because I actually want them to fill it out and turn it in. So I saved it to Drive, so I'm going to just find it in my Drive. By default, it brings up your recent things, so it should be the first thing that comes up. So then you're going to add, and just like everything else, you can just make a copy for each student. If you wanted to, you could put the topic that it was for, or the instructions, and then push assign. Okay, so that's step one. You need to get it to the kids. Miss Kitzman was nice enough to assist me in this. That she assigned the same thing to me in her classroom so you can see the student view. So what the student's going to do is they're going to click the organizer, and what it's going to bring up is it's going to rename it just like before, and it's going to bring it up like this. Then the students will click this three dot and it push open with the window. What we're looking for is something that says open with here. So they're going to open it in a new window. And they're going to put open with DocHub. This is supposed to be on every student device already. It does take a couple moments to load. So I'm just accepting the stuff. It says, yep, I want to log in. So now we have our PDF, and the kids can write right on this. So they just click the text box. They could change the size if they want. They could change the color, which is kind of nice because you can't do that if I was to print this out. Tuesdays are the best. Okay, and then so once I have this alphabet thing, I can just put this box wherever I want to type. They also have some other cool features like a highlighter. So say you assign the articles to a kid and you want them to highlight something. You just draw boxes around things that you want highlighted. So say they fill it all out and then they want to save it back to you. So they're going to hit the download button. And they're going to download it to their computer or drive. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to just create a new one. And then I'm going to put final so I remember what to look at. Okay. So it saved to my drive, so I push OK. And now I can go back to Classroom. And I'm going to delete this copy because this is the original. And then I can add my new file from Google Drive. By default, it brings up Reason, so it should be